Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say sorry that I've not uploaded a video for a while, but today this is what we're going to be doing. So to start off, I'm just going to go in with my blue gel polish and I'm just going to quickly put in the shape of the head. So I've just got my paints on a little palette here, and once I've done this head, I'm going to start working down the body and just putting in the basic shape of the body as well. I'm then going to come in with this bright orange colour and put in his little legs and feet, and once I've done this I will pop it in the lamp just to give it a cure so that I could go in with my next colour. So I'll pop this in the lamp for 30 seconds just to set it, and then it gives me the chance to come in and place my eyes on. So I'm just using the white to do the whites of the eyes obviously, and I'll go in and do the beak in white as well before adding colour, just so it stands out better. So after I've done this beak, I'm going to go in with the blue again. I do go out of shot here a little bit, so I just want to apologise for that. But all I'm doing here is just putting in some wispy bits of the hair and working around the eye so that it's got more blue around it. Now these wispy bits of hair don't need to be perfect, it's just to make it look a little fluffy. So I'll add on some more fluffy bits just around the body, and I'll thicken up his little arm to make it look a bit better. So it's just little brush strokes that I'm doing. So then once I've done this, I will go into the orange again and colour the beak. And then I'll use my dotting tool with some black gel polish just to do the blacks of the eyes. So once I've done this, I'm going to go in with a light blue gel polish just to go over some of the body and add more fluffy, like a fluffy look. So I'm not being gentle when I'm putting this colour on, because I'm wanting to leave some like indentations, like lines in it to make it look more fluffy. So I'm just quickly putting that on. I'll do the same around the eyes, the top of the head, and his little cheeks. So this will be popped in the lamp to cure again before coming in with my dark blue again. And I'm sorry I'm out of shot again, I will get used to this. But all I'm doing here is I've went in with the dark blue again just to section off the wings. So I'm just doing like an outline round them, and on the other wing it's just basically a line drawn down the wing just to make it stand out from that body a little bit better. And just touching up the areas that I feel need a little bit more colour. So this is just drawn on more of the wispy bits, just to make it look fluffy. So before popping it in the lamp, I'm just going to add these little white dots using my dotting tool to the centre of the eyes. And with this orange gel polish, I'm adding a little tiny bit of black and just mixing it just so I can add some more detail to the legs and feet so that they stand out that bit better. Once I'm happy with that, I'll pop it in the lamp to cure just to set all that polish, and then I will go in again with my top coat, pop it in the lamp to cure again, and that is this design finished. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this one. I will get better with my recording, I promise, and thanks for taking the time to watch it. Bye!